Makiaria bunge-ini ya bururi, ambunge aya maugite matire maraiganira na uria uthuthuria wa gikuo kia Jeff Mwathi kana Jeff ta uria roikaine muno uratafanio kuona ona thengia ya riboti kuma kuri ruhonge rwa uthuthuria kiumia kihituku ukionania ati Jeff ni kuragwo oragirwo gutire mundu uri uraikio ngono. Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Njoro Charity Kathambi, ambunge aya maugite matigukira nginyagia kihoto kia Jeff gikoneka.
We can no longer sit and watch as our sons, as our youth are being attacked. This looks like it was a very organized movie by the so-called boys.
Na ndio isifanyike hata kwa mwingine. Tunasema serikali lazima itie kila jihada ndio mwenye kumuua Jeff ama vyote vile ilifanyika ipatikane.
Makenyito baru ni ambunge aruna ao arume atongoria ya oho maugite kuri na riboti ati umwe wa ekuirwo a njuragano-ino ni arekuirwo aya gwithara kuma guku bururi-ini undu uria wahota kuhotomia uthuthuria uria ukoretwo githie na mbere.
We are aware one of the boys who has been mentioned in most of the cases, he is now planning to leave the country.
And I want to ask the immigration department of this country that the suspect who is planning to flee this country should not leave this country. And there are questions which should be answered. Why was this young man hired to be buried in Njoro? The police could have taken time to carry out investigations, and we are even demanding that the body of this young man be exhumed.
Mugaru na riboti iria yandikithitio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kasarani ikiuga Jeff niwe werutire muoyo. Riboti ya uthuthuria wa ruhonge rwa DCI kiumia kihituku yonanirie ati Jeff ni kuragwo oragirwo. Ambunge aya makiuga giki ni gitumi kiiganu ekuirwo gukorwo maikitio ngono.
We want the police to do their work and to bring the perpetrators to book.
Ni jukumu la serikali kukamata wale wanahusika mara moja na waingizwe ndani, na hata na nyinyi wananchi tusikubali tabia kama hizi.
Jeff akwire tariki 23 mweri wa keri gukirikana aikirio kuma gorofa ya 10 nyumba-ini ya muini wegato wa nyimbo cia muthungutho Lawrence Njuguna kana DJ Fato kuria uthuthuria wa gikuo giake ukoretwo gitafanio ni ruhonge rwa DCI. Hadwini Hakameme TV, Yetagogina, Wawaduro.